Cool. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is the Photoshop template that you're going to use to put your image into, so it actually looks like it's in a shirt. Okay. What you can see here, again, if you play this video back later, you'll see this in a lot more detail. I've got a few layers in here. Okay. One layer is the shirt. So that's my shirt color. So I've got it as black, but if I wanted to, I can change that to a different color if I want. So in my blending options here, I can change my color overlay, make it a red shirt or make it a green shirt. I can do whatever I want with this. Okay, and change the color. So it doesn't have to be black. So the template is there so you can play around with it. But for now, I'll make it a white shirt so it's easy to see. So that's my shirt there. Then the very top layer is my shadows. So if I turn it off, you can see it's just a plain, boring color. There's actually nothing there, whereas that's my shadow layer. All right? And then in the middle here, I've got these two layers here. All right? They're actually two little separate things on one layer. I've got this blank one here where I'm going to put an image, and this thing here is called a mask. And what a mask is, you can see it looks like a shirt. I've drawn an image that will say anything that's not in that mask I don't want to see. So to explain that better, if I just get the pen and pick a colour, and I draw on here, see how it doesn't go out of that line? So I put that mask there. I've also done the mask under the collar too. So anything I draw on here is not going to be coming out. So I can literally colour it in. And also there you can see I've gone and done my mask over that bit of the curve of the shirt, so it's a bit more realistic. That kind of makes sense? Or, to make it a bit more sense, let's just go back a few steps. If I put an image in there, alright, my little adventure time. Now he's got to go into there is where I want to place him. Alright, oops. So now that I've got him in there, I'm just going to turn it off. If I move that around, see how it automatically adjusts for that mask? So in other words, this is why you don't have to worry about when you're doing your design to cutting it around, sleeves and collars. This template will do it for you. So if I increase the size of that, plonk it there, it's done. So you can see it's got the shadows from the shirt at the very top level there, over that image. The mask fits in under the collar. If it goes over into the sides there, it cuts it off as well. So it takes your shirt and then really does give it a little bit more realism there. And off you go. So it's as simple as that. So what you'll do is when you've got your image and your image is done, you will place it into this layer here and put it into that one that's linked to the mask, and then you can just kind of put it wherever you want it, sit it in there, and then you're done. There's your shirt, ready to go. And then you can kind of send it off. So I'll put that file in the resources with the other stuff as well, and you can open that up and have a play. Cool.